Hi guys, charity shop Gold or Garbage, Nailsy today. In fact the items here are ones I looked at last week when I was in Nailsy and didn't buy. And today I decided I would buy them. So, first on the list, this little wind-up toy. 2006 Disney Pixar, it says on there. Don't know if the camera will focus on that. Probably not. Just caught my interest because we've got a wheel goes that way and wheels go that way. So it's one of those ones that's going to go in sort of random directions, I think. Cost me 50p from the RSPCA. Okay, I expected it to turn. I suppose it depends if it runs over something. If it runs over something, then it would definitely turn. Oh, it nearly turned just then, didn't it? Just goes a little sort of shudder. Probably means the rubber's worn down or something, so it's not gripping. Or we might play with that again sometime. But that'll do for now. Okay, next, I definitely mentioned this in one of my previous charity shop videos. Little mini, and it's one of those with a pull cord motor to wind it up. So, Lanard Toys Limited, 2001. I got a playlist of my Lanard toys because I quite like them. That didn't sound very good. Nope, I think we got a problem in there. So probably going to have to take that apart and have a look at it. Oh, I can see it's got hot glue in there. So somebody's tried fixing it before. Yeah. Something not quite right there. So that'll be a take apart and have a look inside, or a tear down. Okay, so that one was 75p in the RSPCA. But to be honest, I might have been a bit harder on them if I'd have realised it didn't work. Yeah. Okay, and then finally this one. This was from the, I think it's the Cats Protection League. Looked at this last week. In fact, I've seen it in other charity shops in Nailsy, so it's probably been bought at one place and donated back again. Says Barbie on it. Says Mattel there. It's missing quite a few bits, like steering wheel. There's obviously some sort of cover goes on the back here. Something's broken off there. I expect there was probably a, yeah, I expect there was a wind-up thing on the front there. I've forgotten what we call them. It's terrible getting old and forgetting words. 1973 Mattel. So what we're going to do with this? Well, first thing we're going to do is stick a rubber band on it, on my Put a Rubber Band on It channel, just to see if we can get it to run up and down the kitchen. And then after that I might use the body shell to go on one of my other radio controlled cars. There's a couple of options that I could use that on, so we'll see. They wanted me to pay £4 for it. I wasn't going to pay £4, so I ended up paying £2.50, which I think was still a bit much for the state it's in. Although I expect a Barbie collector might pay more for it, you never know. It's not in very good condition. Okay, anyway, that was it. 3 cars that all could do with some TLC.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.